Okay friends, a very good day to all of you. We are here again to discuss about utility analysis. In the last lecture we have started with chapter 2 of standard 12 economics, that is utility analysis. And last time we have covered what is utility, we have seen what are the features of utility, and we have seen what are the forms of utility. And if you remember, I told you that today you have to come with a rough book and a pen so that we can go forward. Today's session is going to be a conceptual session. You have to have a basic knowledge of plus and minus. You have to have a basic knowledge of graphs and plotting, which all of you have done in your standard 10. But quickly, let us have a recap of our last session. In our lecture 1, what we have done is we have seen what is utility. Anybody can tell me what is utility? Utility means the want satisfying capacity of a commodity. कोई भी चीज, कोई भी commodity, कोई भी product अगर मेरी जरूरत पूरी कर सकती है, then I will say that that particular product is having utility for me. After that, we saw what are the features of utility. There were 10 features. Now somebody told me, how are we going to remember all those 10 features, right? शर्माने की बात नहीं है, you should ask. Unless and until you ask, we won't come to know what are your doubts. So you should come forward. जिसने किया शर्म, उसके पुटे कर्म. So we made a code, and the first code is शर्म. Now what do you mean by शर्म? Open your textbooks, quickly have a look. You'll see that utility is subjective, utility is hypothetical, utility is ethically neutral, utility is relative, utility is multipurpose. Clear? SHERM. Now this is a little hazy. Utility is different from pus. Pus here means pleasure. Remember injection? Okay. Utility is different from pus. Utility is different from usefulness. Utility is different from satisfaction. How many points we have covered? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many points were there? 10. 2 points remain. That is, utility depends upon the intensity of want, and the law of utility, the concept of utility is the basis for the law of demand that is covered in IB. So you can say SHERM, Sharmani, different from pus, and IB. After that, we saw what are the different forms of utility. Okay. In that, we saw that there are 6 forms of utility. Form utility is created by changing the form. That is, first utility itself is form utility. Then place utility, transport apples from Himachal Pradesh. Service utility given by advocates. Knowledge utility, the more you learn about something, the more you desire to have, possess that particular thing. Possession utility, ownership is transferred. And the last is time utility. How time utility is created? I take an umbrella, I keep it with myself, and I keep it when I want to use it in the rainy season. So you have form, place, service, knowledge, possession, time. This is what we have seen last time. I hope you don't have any doubts so far. If you have anything, you should supplement this lecture with your textbook. After listening to this video, if you have not referred to your textbook so far, I would request you sincerely to read word to word what is given in the textbook. Ideally, you should have read it before, right? If you have not, then after listening to this video, go home. You are already at home. Refer to your textbook, underline the concepts, and if you have any doubts, please put in your feedback on that same portal, on your comments. Okay, so let's go forward. Can I meet out this? Clear? Okay. Okay. Now, one of the concepts, when we were doing types of utility, one of the features of utility was cardinal measurement. Cardinal measurement. What do you mean by cardinal measurement? It means that I can determine, I can quantify मुझे कितना utility मिला. मुझे प्यास लगी थी, एक गिलास पानी पीने से मुझे कितनी यूटिलिटी मिली. I can say, I can add it, I can subtract it, I can do mathematical operations in that. That is called as cardinal measurement. Okay, we are going to use this concept. बार बार हम लोग ये concept use करेंगे. So it is better if we have in mind what do you mean by cardinal measurement. I can say how many utility units of utility I have got by consuming a particular product. Okay. Now we are going to see two concepts, that is total utility and marginal utility. For this, as far as economics as a whole is concerned, you should not be afraid of it. There is a particular way of learning it. Now economics, you can say, basically can be classified, you have already done it in the first chapter, microeconomics, macroeconomics, right? Macroeconomics is theory. You have to povertify it, you have to ratify it, you have to learn it by heart. Right? Now as far as microeconomics is concerned, every microeconomics chapter will have certain diagrams, will have certain schedules. If you run away from schedules, if you run away from diagrams, you are running away from economics. And that is not the purpose of this lecture. You should start loving schedules. You should start loving diagrams. You should be passionate about them. तुम्हें इतना पसंद आ जाना चाहिए वो डायग्राम, वो स्केड्यूल, कि तुम्हें मिलते जुलते अगर कोई भी गिव रीजन आ गया, कुछ भी स्टेटमेंट आ गया, आंसर इन ब्रीफ आ गया, तो व्हेन यू हैव योर पर्टिकुलर सप्लीमेंट, यू वांट टू राइट अ पर्टिकुलर आंसर, साइड पे डायग्राम आप ड्रॉ करना शुरू कर दोगे, ये आप शेड्यूल बनाओगे और ये आप डायग्राम बनाओगे. When your examiner sees this, he says, oh wow, now this person knows something about economics, he has not copied. Right? To try to elaborate, try to illustrate as much as possible your answers with rough diagram. You are not going to use a scale, and this is not prepared according to any particular scale. It's just a rough diagram which you should try to use it as an additional supplement to your main answer. Now I am going to draw a schedule in front of you. Take out your rough books, start your pen. Okay, we are going to have 3 columns. First is serial number. I have all of you are writing in front of me. Don't just watch, please start writing. Second is total utility. Or let me put it ulta. I will put marginal utility first. And in my third column, I am trying to have total utility. Serial number is the number of units of the commodity I am consuming. Okay, so I am consuming how many? Let's say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. I take an example wherein I am consuming 7 units of a commodity. Let's say I am feeling thirsty. Okay, I have come, I am playing football. My interval में आया हूँ. बाजू में my coach is offering me a glass of water. Now I start drinking the glass of water. What do you mean by MU? Without hesitating, without any doubt, without thinking, whenever you come across the word marginal, you should always say additional. Okay, when you say marginal, you should say additional. Clear? Now, what do you mean? What do I mean by MU? MU मतलब मैं जो हर एक ग्लास पानी का पिया तो मेरे को हर एक ग्लास से कितनी कितनी यूटिलिटी मिली. पहले ग्लास पीने पे कितने मिली, दूसरे ग्लास पीने पे कितने मिली, तीसरे पीने पे कितने मिली. तो लेट्स हैव एन हाइपोथेटिकल एग्जांपल. आई से दैट मैं जब पहला ग्लास पानी का पिया तो आई गॉट लेट्स से 10 यूनिट्स ऑफ यूटिलिटी मिली. I can quantify. Remember cardinal measurement? I can quantify. I know that I have got 10 units of utility. अभी एक ग्लास पानी में पी लिया. Okay. Now my coach, I'm a football player. My coach is offering me a second glass of water. So when I consume, when I have that second glass of water, how much units of utility I get? Let's say 8. Clear so far? और एक ग्लास पानी पिया मैं तो मुझे क्या मिला? 6. 1 more 4, 2. मतलब when I have drank that 5 glasses of water, you see that the additional benefit what I'm getting is slowly घटते जा रही है. Okay, I started off with getting 10 units of utility, and by the time I have come to the 5th glass, that additional utility मतलब 5वें glass पानी पीने से मेरे को कितनी utility मिली? 2. Now 6th utility में I got 0. मतलब मैं पानी पी तो लिया लेकिन मुझे वो अच्छा नहीं लगा. Now what happens? Please pay attention. What is happening is, as you have observed, ये marginal utility धीरे 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 कम होते जा रही. मतलब जैसा जैसा मैं आगे कंज्यूम करता जा रहा हूँ वैसा वैसा ये MU कम होते जा रही. The technical term what I use, which you have to use in your answer, is diminish, not reduce, not decrease. You should say diminish. As I start to go on consuming more and more units of the commodity, the MU which I derive goes on diminishing. Okay. Now, how many glasses of water have I drank so far? 6. When I come to the 7th glass of water, what is observed is, oh no, I don't want it. ठीक है. कभी-कभी क्या होता है मैम? कभी दावत में जाते हो, all of you must have gone. ठीक है, तुम्हारे रिश्तेदार होते हैं, तुम्हारे अंकल होते हैं, तुम्हारी बुआ होती है, तुम्हारी मासी होती है, खास करके लेडीज. Now when I have, there comes a time when I am fully satisfied. शुरू में तो क्या बोलेंगे आपकी बुआ, आपकी मासी आपको, बेटा अच्छी तरीके से पेट भर के खा लेना, मैं तुम्हारे को बोलूंगी नहीं. तो आप खाते गए, you are now fully satisfied. तो एकदम से बुआ कहीं गई थी बाहर किचन में, बुआ आई, अरे बेटा तुम्हारी तो प्लेट खाली है, तुमने तो कुछ लिया ही नहीं. ओह माय गॉड, बुआ कहां से आ गई? शी सेड नो, तुम्हें तो लेना पड़ेगा. नाउ व्हाट इज हैपनिंग इज, तुमने तुम्हारा पेट भर के खा लिया, यू आर फुल्ली सैटिस्फाइड, यू आर सैटिस्फाइड, तुम हो गए डकार भी मार लिए. अब बुआ को मना तो नहीं कर सकते, सो यू हैव इट, बट वो खाना तुम जबरदस्ती खा रहे हो, तुम्हारे को खाना खाने में मजा नहीं आ रहा है. Zero, ulta, reverse, negative. So this is called as disutility, or this is called as negative utility. Is the concept of marginal utility clear? Marginal means additional. हर एक ग्लास में से मुझे जितना जितना यूटिलिटी मिला, that is the additional utility which has been illustrated in this particular schedule. Okay. Now, if somebody asks me कि 4 ग्लास पानी पीने से तुम्हें कितना यूटिलिटी मिला, तो what do I do? I will just add this. How do I add it? पहला ग्लास पानी पिया, मेरा मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी कितना था? 10. The total utility is also 10. Now when I had the second glass, the marginal utility was 8. दोनों ग्लासेस पानी पीना साथ में मिला के क्या होगा? 10 plus 8 is 18. 2 ग्लास पानी पीने के बाद तुम्हें कितनी यूटिलिटी मिली? 18. दूसरे ग्लास से कितनी मिली? 8. ठीक है, TUMU is clear. तीसरे ग्लास से मैं अगर पीता हूं, मुझे मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी कितनी मिली? 6. 18 plus 6, come on, math students यार, 24. I hope all of you are solving it, right? Don't, if you want to make, fully utilize this lecture, मैं जैसा लिख रहा हूं वैसा तुम लोग भी लिखते जाओ. Do scribble a lot. That's why I said get a rough book, and after the lecture correlate it with your textbook. Okay. Now, चौथे यूनिट ऑफ यूटिलिटी से कितना मिला मुझे? 4. तो दोनों मिला के कितना हो गया? 28. पांचवे से कितना मिला? 2. पांचवी ग्लास पे टोटल मिला के कितना हो गया? 30. नाउ छठा ग्लास जब मैं पानी का पिया, उसमें मुझे कोई यूटिलिटी मिली क्या? नहीं. मेरा बिग 0. So here it remains the same. 30 plus 0 is 30. And now the fun part begins. बुआ आ गई, मासी आ गई, बेटा तुमने तो कुछ खाया नहीं, जबरदस्ती मुझे खिला दिया, and I just want to go to the basin and vomit all that stuff out because I'm ठीक है. Now is this diagram clear? The first column gives you the serial number, that is the number of units of a commodity what you are consuming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. The second column gives you the marginal utility. दैट इज द एडिशनल यूटिलिटी। पहला गिलास पानी पीने से 10 मिला, तीसरे से 6 मिला, छठे से 0 मिला, सातवें से -2 मिला। और जो टोटल यूटिलिटी जो तुम्हें मिली है दैट इज 10, 18, 24, 28, 30, 30, 20। If this is clear, we can go ahead. Clear? Right? Now can I rub this? And I will go forward. I'll quickly rub this. Now we have two concepts, TU and NU. Now, अगर एग्जाम में आपको NU का कॉलम दिया हुआ है तो आप TU डिराइव कर सकते हो। ये अगर आपको नहीं, ये छुपा दिया हमने, खाली TU का दिया हो तो आप MU लिख सकते हो। यस, उसी तरीके से अगर मैं TU का कॉलम हटा दूं, MU कर दिया तो TU आप बता सकते हो। यस, यू कैन डिराइव। क्लियर? नाउ अ क्वेश्चन, what is the total utility of 2 units? Total utility of 2 units is what? 80. How do I put it mathematically? What have I done? Basically, I have added 10 plus 8. ठीक है, तो I will say total utility of 2 units is marginal utility of the first unit plus the marginal utility of the second unit is equal to 10 plus 8 is equal to 18. ठीक है, now if I say total utility of let's say the fourth unit, तो आप क्या लिखोगे? MU of 1 plus MU of 2 plus MU of 3 plus MU of 4, 10 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4, 18 plus 10 is equal to 28. TU of 4, TU of 4, 28. Am I correct? Okay. Now if I want to put it mathematically, I will say that total utility of the nth unit is marginal utility of 1 plus marginal utility of 2 plus ... plus marginal utility of the nth unit. Here n stands for that number. n की जगह पे अगर मैं 4 लिखता हूं तो टोटल यूटिलिटी ऑफ द फोर्थ यूनिट इज MU of 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. अगर ये n की जगह पे 7 आता है तो I will say TU of 7 is MU of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. ये मैं पूरा ऐड करूंगा तो मुझे कितना मिलेगा? 28. Do it fast in your books. Do it right now. All of you having a pen, all of you having a rough book. Come on, do it fast. Find out total utility of 7. चलो जल्दी। You got the answer? Everybody got the answer? 28? Okay. Next, coming to marginal utility. How do I find out the marginal utility of, let's say, the third unit? मुझे ये 6 नहीं मालूम है, मेरे पर TU का कॉलम दिया हुआ। Now, if I want to find out the marginal utility of the third unit, मैं क्या करूँगा? अच्छा, फिगर से बताओ यहाँ से कैसा करोगे आप? कितना है वैसे? 6 है ना? तो 6 कैसा है मुझे? How did I get 6? You minus 24 में से 18 निकालोगे तो 6 आएगा। ठीक है? तो I have to put it mathematically. I would say that the marginal utility of 3 units is total utility of 3 units minus total utility of 3 minus 1 is equal to T of 3 minus T of 2. TU of 3 कितना है? 24. TU of 2 कितना है? 18 is equal to 6. Am I right? I hope this is clear. Right? Now, if I want to put it mathematically, I will say MU of n is equal to TU of n minus TU of n minus 1. जो भी चीज का आपको MU निकालना है, let's say मुझे MU निकालना है 7th यूनिट का, तो I will say marginal utility of the 7th unit is total utility of the 7th unit. चलो यही ले लो 7वां। अगर 7वां करना है तो मैं क्या करूँगा? Total utility of 7 is what? 28 minus total utility of n minus 1 minus total utility of n of कितना 30. So I got the answer as minus 2. Minus 2. Okay. Now this is the formula for calculating marginal utility. Should I rub it and put it again? Okay, no issues. Okay, we are back after a short compulsory break because of some technical failure. What we have seen so far is we have seen this diagram. Again, this is done in a nice manner so that you can understand it better. We have seen 7 glasses of water what I am consuming after a very heavy football match. This is the marginal utility column. This is the total utility column. The marginal utility is falling. The total utility is rising till it comes here, and then here it becomes negative. Now this was the formula what we have done. Total utility of the nth unit is total utility of the first plus total utility of the second. This goes on to the total utility of the nth unit. Okay, we have seen example some time back. The marginal utility of the nth unit is the total utility of the nth unit minus the total utility of n minus 1 unit, right? Now, I said earlier that we have to love 2 things. We have to love the schedule, we have to love the diagram. Schedule we have already seen. Let's try to plot it in a diagram. This is the x-axis, this is the y-axis, right? Okay, on the x-axis I take the units of the commodity. What are the units of the commodity which we have seen in the schedule so far? How many are there? 1, 2, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And on the y-axis what I am going to do is I plot the total utility and the marginal utility. This is the total utility column. This is the marginal utility column, which I am going to plot here. All of you are going to do this with me in your own rough books, right? Now, how do I do this? Pahila unit of commodity which I consumed, what was the marginal utility which I got? 10. Okay, now when I see this, most of these are divisible by 4. So what I have done is, I have written this in multiples of 4. 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 24, 28 and 32. Now I have to plot 10. When I am consuming the first unit of the unit of the commodity, the marginal utility what I am getting is 10 units, right? So now I plot 10 somewhere here, right? Now the second is 8, second is 8, third is 6, third is 6, fourth is 4, fourth is 4, fifth is 2, sixth is 0, and seventh is minus 2. Okay, so with your permission, I am going to rub this 7 and I am going to draw this. Now what do we do? You know, bachpan mein dots marte the, फिर उसको line मारते थे. That's what we are going to do now. What do I do is, I draw a line connecting this thing. What I get is the marginal utility curve. ठीक है? Clear so far? Anybody having doubts? You have to correlate it with a textbook. Finishing this video lecture, immediately open your textbook, quickly read through it, right? Now, I have plotted the MU curve, now I want to plot the TU curve. TU stands for total utility. Again, the origin would be the same. When I am consuming the first glass of water, my marginal utility is equal to the total utility because that is the only glass of water which I have consumed. So, ये 10 का 10 ही रहेगा, right? Abhi, after I drink the second glass of water, my TU increases to 18. So I come where? Here. Second glass of water gives me 18. Third glass of water gives me 24. Third. 24, somewhere here. Fourth glass of water gives me 28. Fifth glass of water gives me 30. The sixth glass of water also gives me 30, and the seventh glass of water gives me 28. Any doubts so far? 10, 18, 24, 28, 30, 30 minus 28. 10, 18, 24, 28, 30, 30 minus 20. Right? Now, as I've drawn a line intersecting these points or joining these dots. Similarly, I will draw a line joining these dots. Okay, this is my total utility ka curve. Now the next part is most important. The derivations, the conclusions which you draw from this particular schedule and this particular graph. क्या समझ में आया हमको वो अभी हम जानेंगे. Keep that in mind. So the drawing this schedule also would be easier. Drawing this graph also would be easier. How? Now I'll just draw a line. You see here it is intersecting the x-axis. So I draw a line here. Okay. This is first stage. This is second stage. This is third stage. Okay. Now I want your fullest attention. Please don't have any distractions. What happens in the first stage? See the schedule, see the diagram. What is happening is, यहाँ पे जब तक तुम्हारा 6 पे 0 होता है जब तक तुम्हारा फर्स्ट स्टेज है, राइट? So this is my first stage. This is my second stage, and this is my. Can I say that in the first stage the marginal utility is positive? It is diminishing. You follow me? It is decreasing, it is reducing. It's better if you use the word diminishing. पहले क्लास अमाउंट से 10 मिला, दूसरा मैंने तो किया लेकिन मुझे कम सेटिस्फैक्शन मिला, सॉरी कम यूटिलिटी मिली, थर्ड में और कम मिली, फोर्थ में कम मिली, फिफ्थ में 2 units of utility सिर्फ मुझे मिला, and when I consumed the 6th glass of water I got 0 units of utility. But what I say is the marginal utility is decreasing, which is shown by this particular line which is going down till the time it intersects the x-axis at point number 6. What happens at point number 6? At point number 6 the value which you got is 0. Now because it is 0 it is intersecting the x-axis. ठीक है? Now see the graph which is above that. जब ये diminish हो रहा था, जब ये first stage में हम लोग थे तो TU का क्या हो रहा था? TU was increasing. TU was also increasing but at a diminishing rate which is given by this line. This is my first stage. Now what happens in the first stage? My total utility is increasing, marginal utility is decreasing. Right? My total utility is increasing, my marginal utility is decreasing. Positive है, ये बढ़ रहा है लेकिन उसकी बढ़ोतरी धीरे 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 ऐसी होते जा रही है और ये शुरू से ही घट रहा है, but it is positive, it is above the x-axis till the time it comes at point number 6, the sixth commodity where this is my second stage. What happens at the second stage? In my second stage, the marginal utility curve intersects the x-axis, this becomes 0. यानी कि जब मैं छठा ग्लास पानी का पिया तो मेरे को कोई एडिशनल यूटिलिटी नहीं मिली, तो आई वॉज बेटर ऑफ rather than having that glass of water. Why should I have it? Right? Now when we come to MUN price, that time it will be more clear. अगर मुझे ये सब का पैसा देना होता तो क्या मैं इसका पैसा देता? नहीं. क्यों देता मैं पैसा जबकि मेरे को उससे यूटिलिटी मिली नहीं? Okay? So this is there. This is the second stage. What happens in the second stage? Marginal utility is 0. Right? You have seen it. But what happens to the total utility? As is seen from the schedule, the total utility is the highest, it is maximum and it is constant. It is the highest 30 and it is constant. So what do I say at the second stage? Total utility is highest HGST and marginal utility is equal to 0. Followed? First stage, marginal utility is decreasing, total utility is increasing at a diminishing rate. Second stage, marginal utility becomes 0, total utility is maximum and constant. Now here is the stage when my Masi comes into the picture. She says, no, you have to something more. तो व्हाट हैपेंस, और एक ग्लास उन्होंने मुझे पानी का पिला दिया, माय मार्जिनल यूटिलिटी मेरे को उल्टी आने लगी. नाउ दिस इज कॉल्ड एज डिसयूटिलिटी और नेगेटिव यूटिलिटी. This is the third stage. What happens at the third stage? The marginal utility curve goes below the x-axis. तो ये जो पार्ट है, this shows कि तुम्हारे को नेगेटिव मिला. इतना जो पार्ट है, इतनी जो यूटिलिटी है, वो तुम्हारी नेगेटिव है, तुम्हारे को नहीं चाहिए था, तुम्हें जबरदस्ती किया गया. That is negative utility or disutility when the marginal utility curve goes below the x-axis. At the same time, what happens to the total utility curve? The total utility curve falls. Now the third stage. In the third stage, total utility falls, marginal utility becomes negative. I hope all these are clear. Having a quick recap, this is divided into three parts. The first part, the marginal utility is decreasing. This is that stage. In the same stage, the total utility is increasing at a diminishing rate. This one. In the second stage, what happens is the marginal utility becomes zero. At that point of time, the total utility is maximum and constant. This is the point when mu is zero, total utility is maximum and constant. In the third stage, the marginal utility becomes negative. It goes below the x-axis and the total utility curve starts decreasing. Okay? Now this is what we have done, what we have elaborated, illustrated in this. Do you find there's anything difficult in this? Honestly, tell me. What do you have to remember? You just have to remember one column. And that is this marginal utility ka column. Now forget. You don't even have to remember that. You don't have to remember anything, man. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. याद करना है, बच्चे को भी आता है. You want to remember 1, 2, 3. You are mad if you are foolish. Second, you start with 10. खाली तुम्हें ये याद रखना है कि पहले यूनिट ऑफ यूटिलिटी में तुम्हारा mu 10 था. That's it. उसके बाद में दो माइनस करो. 10 minus 2, 8, 8 minus 2, 6, 6 minus 2, 4, 4 minus 2, 0, then minus 2. Then what have we done here? We have added. What have we done here? We have just plotted. Right? Simple. We have covered. Okay? First stage. Come on, somebody. In the first stage, what happens? Total utility is increasing, marginal utility is decreasing. Second stage, total utility is highest, marginal utility is 0. Third stage, total utility is decreasing, marginal utility becomes negative. Right? This, in short, explains the utility analysis. Now, in the next lecture, we are going to cover a very important topic. We had to cover in this only, but somehow the explanation went a little too lamba. So, in the next lecture, we'll try to cover the law of diminishing marginal utility, along with its assumptions, along with its exceptions, along with its criticism, and the last topic in utility analysis is marginal utility and price. Again, in the next lecture, I want all of you to come with a pen and a rough notebook, the same notebook what you have got for this lecture. Right? This was the second lecture in utility analysis. The next lecture hopefully would be the last. Okay? So I take your leave. Goodbye and good luck.